Hello. Quick demo of Bedrock-monitor web app that I built to track Bedrock usage in near real time as costs across regions with a natural language assistant on top. Let me just log in. So if you're running foundation models on Bedrock, the usage and spend are kind of scattered. CloudWatch logs, then we use Cost Explorer and AWS pricing pages, and it's all per region. So for this demo, I just got the Tokyo region hookup, but the idea is the same across however many regions you run. Oops, let me try that one more time. Okay, so uh, actually, Cost Explorer is great, but for Bedrock specifically, the cost data is slow. Sometimes it takes 4 hours, 12 hours, or at worst, a full day before we get the spend actually shows up. So this one gives us a much faster read. Okay, so for the dashboard, up top we got the headline numbers, total tokens, the cost, the usage trend over whatever window we pick up. By default is on 7 days. We can do today, 30 days, and 90 days at max. Then, so just to be clear, no user prompts are stored here. It's only the usage metadata. So going back to the Bedrock dashboard and go here in settings, then under this area we got text, image, embedding, video, all unchecked. So basically it's just metadata that the CloudWatch log is capturing. And where is it? Now, the bigger those CloudWatch logs get, the longer it takes to compute the numbers or the estimates here. So instead of computing on every page load, I use EventBridge job running every 15 minutes that does the computation in the background and cache the result. So what we are seeing here loads instantly, and fresh estimates are already being calculated for next time. Then this is the part I want to highlight. It's the ask feature. I can just type something like summarize my Bedrock usage this week, and it answers in plain English. So just give it a bit of time. Under the hood, it uses Bedrock Converse tool, but it's wrapped in a Bedrock Guardrail, so it stays scope to usage data only, and it won't wander off topic. So for example, here's the response. Top users, principal by cost. It's my another web application project, and my IAM user, and this Lambda functions, my SSO identity user, then a bit of a highlight here. Example, I mainly use Cloud Sonnet 4.6, so it's my top model that I frequently use. Then down here we got the region and model breakdown. This is handy because Bedrock pricing changes by region. Again, I only use Tokyo for this Sunmax. And yeah, here what looks like for the model breakdown. And farther below, it's the user breakdown. It's my IAM user, my another web app hosted in Amplify, and bunch of Lambda functions. On the technical side, it's fully serverless. As I mentioned, I hosted it in Amplify, the front end. Then for the back end, it uses Python script in Lambda with HTTP API gateway, and also Cognito for authentication. The front end is composed of React and Vite that I Vite coded using Claude Opus 4.8. And the infrastructure itself is defined using AWS SAM. Then again, front end is hosted in Amplify. I built it this way so it costs basically very minimum to run, and it deploys to multiple regions from one template, ideally. So yeah, that's basically it. Cheers, everyone.